For tightening bolts with precision force, discover the top torque wrenches. In this review, we test 5 models ideal for auto repairs and construction. Check click, beam, and digital styles ideal for any job. See compact and full-size wrenches with cutting-edge features. Examine calibrations from low to high torque needs. By the end, you'll find the right fit for vehicles, plumbing, and more. It's time to tackle tightening with confidence and protect parts for the long haul. At number 5, we have the Lexivon torque wrench. This is the best large torque wrench, ideal for handling heavy-duty applications. Lexivon's torque wrench offers ample power for more demanding applications. It boasts a large 3/4-inch drive with a high max range of 300 feet-pounds. Plus, it comes equipped with a reinforced head made from chrome vanadium alloy steel that's fitted onto a thick, solid steel shaft. And with its black finish, it resists rust and corrosion. Its 25-inch length provides the leverage needed to reach those higher torque levels. The bright yellow measurement readings maximize clarity, and the torque wrench comes with a molded plastic carrying case that keeps the wrench protected when it's not in use. The Lexivon torque wrench is also available in 3/8-inch and 1/2-inch drive sizes. In 4th place, it's the CDI Comfort Grip Micrometer Adjustable Torque Wrench. This model is the best click-style wrench, known for its accuracy and ease of use. This 1/2-inch torque wrench from CDI, owned by Snap-on, which is famous for quality and precision, is about as powerful as they come, with an impressive torque range of 30 to 250 foot-pounds. Not only is that more than enough torque for automotive repairs, but it also works for heavy equipment and construction applications. In addition to torquing in the standard clockwise direction, this wrench runs counterclockwise, which is useful for securing bolts with reverse threads, such as some lug nuts and some pieces of landscaping equipment. A quick release button removes the sockets with ease after you're done tightening, which might otherwise be challenging after applying such a heavy amount of torque. At number 3, we have the GearWrench 1/2-inch drive electronic torque wrench. This wrench is the best digital option, providing precise, easy-to-read measurements. When the utmost accuracy is paramount, this 1/2-inch digital torque wrench from GearWrench offers a top-of-the-line solution. Right off the bat, it delivers an impressive torque range between 25 and 250 foot-pounds, and it boasts an accuracy rate of plus or minus 2% in the clockwise direction and plus or minus 3% for counterclockwise torquing. Not only does it measure in foot-pounds with an incredible degree of accuracy, but it also displays torque in Newton meters and inch-pounds on the highly legible LCD screen. The wrench features a target torque alert that warns you when you're approaching your desired torque setting, then vibrates, beeps, and flashes when it's reached that specification. Coming in at number 2, we have the EPAuto 1/2-inch drive click torque wrench. This model is the best value, offering great performance at an affordable price. EPAuto's 1/2-inch torque wrench is made of incredibly durable chrome vanadium steel and features an easy-to-read torque range scale that includes both foot-pounds and Newton meters on the handle. Slip-resistant knurled rubber on the handle gives you a solid grip, even when your hands are greasy or dirty. To sweeten the deal even further, EPAuto throws in a socket extension for accessing hard-to-reach places and providing the necessary clearance from the rims when tightening lug nuts. It also comes with a handy molded carrying case that keeps the torque wrench and extender from getting separated. And in the top spot, at number 1, it's the Tekton 1/2-inch drive micrometer torque wrench. This is the best overall, combining reliability, accuracy, and versatility. As the proud owner of this wrench, I personally attest to its accuracy, ease of use, and versatility. The torque ranges from 10 to 150 foot-pounds, which was everything I needed when I put it to the ultimate test, replacing the engine in my truck. And its all-steel construction made me confident that it would be able to withstand the rigors of the entire job. The torque values are clearly marked with black numbers contrasting the steel handle, which makes it easy to read even in poor lighting. Then, when you're done using the wrench, Tekton provides a durable storage case to keep it protected. We hope you found the ideal torque wrench for your work. Now install your new wrench and avoid stripping fasteners. Finish every job right on the dot. Don't forget to subscribe for more reviews. Thanks for watching.